Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a meat-free steamed vegetable recipe using a pointed cabbage and a pak choi as a couple of my main ingredients. I'm also going to share some interesting facts about these vegetables, so make sure you stick around, watch the video from start to finish. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, I'd love for you to give me a thumbs up, leave a positive comment and subscribe. Now let's go straight into the video. Quickly run through the ingredients for this delicious recipe. I have the pointed cabbage, I have the pak choi here, green, red and yellow bell peppers, I have leek, a tomato, some fresh thyme, a couple carrots, I have some pointed pepper, red, orange and yellow, I have some garlic here, some green chillies and some spring onions. Just to spice it up a bit, I'm going to use some jerk seasoning paste and some dry jerk seasoning, and I also always like to add a bit of sweet chili sauce in the mixture as well, just keep it interesting. Okay, so this is one of my pak choi, and if I break this and look inside here, you can see some dirt. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to break off the leaves and give it a good wash before I start to cut it up. My pak choi is washed and clean. I'm going to cut these up. As I said to you before, pak choi is quite a very delicious and nutritious vegetable to have. It has vitamin C, vitamin E, it has beta carotene, it has selenium, and it has cancer fighting compound. So if you have never had pak choi before, please give it a go. It's very nutritious, very healthy. Right, so this is my pointed cabbage. I've just cut this in two. Another interesting vegetable to have or to consume. It's rich in dietary fiber, it's full of vitamin C, it keeps the immune system healthy and it prevents cold. So something you go in the supermarket, you probably see this vegetable and think, you need to try it out. Very healthy to have. Right, so firstly I'm going to cut this up. I'm going to put it in a pan and then give it a good wash before I put it in actual pot. Okay, so here is the pointed cabbage and the pak choi together. This has all been washed and clean. In the interest of time, I'm going to add the other ingredients. So here you have the leek and spring onion, I have the green, red and yellow bell peppers along with the chilies. I have some chopped tomatoes, the fresh thyme and the pointed peppers, that's red, orange and green. So I'm just going to add this in as well. This is a carrot and chopped garlic. I'm going to add some dry jerk seasoning to this. Also going to add some wet jerk seasoning, not too much. A bit of salt, and as I said to you, I'm going to add some chili sauce. One thing I didn't mention before is that I will add some olive oil. This is some extra virgin olive oil. So all the hard work is now finished. This looks really nice as it is now. So I'm just going to put it on the hob and start to steam it. Here is everything in the pot on the hob. I'm not going to add any water to this because the vegetables are made up of a lot of water plus the residual water from when washing the vegetables. So all I need to do is just to put the lid on the pot and allow this to steam slowly. This should take about 15 maximum 20 minutes and this will all be ready. This is almost finished. Just gonna give it a few minutes. Smells really nice. There you have it. This is now finished. Looks absolutely delicious. I'm just going to dish them out shortly and then have a taste. Have a taste of this delicious meat-free steamed vegetable. very tasty, very delicious. The spices give it a bit of kick as well. Please try it. It's very nice, and as I said to you before, pointed cabbage, pak choi are very healthy vegetables to consume. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, please give me a thumbs up, leave a positive comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Look out for more videos. Goodbye.